Stop buying commercial displays from unverified trading companies that overcharge and underdeliver on hardware configurations. This is exactly how digital signage been manufactured in China factory to guarantee premium performance for global distribution networks. Our production line seamlessly integrates vivid 4K UHD display panels with highly responsive touchscreen modules and flexible Android or Windows systems. As a direct source factory, we build customizable vertical signs ranging from 32 to 75 inches, designed to handle multi-location remote CMS updates and split-screen commercial advertising. Every single unit undergoes rigorous testing for high brightness, wide viewing angles, and continuous playback stability before custom brand packaging. Whether your bulk projects demand tailored boot animations, custom cabinet colors, or specific hardware specs for shopping malls and retail storefronts, we deliver verified reliability straight from the assembly line. Contact Ikinor for a professional digital signage quote today.